Today we are going to work on reading file in Pandas. Yeah, that is our objective of today. So how are we going to do? cpd.read. I wanted to read file in Pandas to read cs underscore CSV file. So what are we going to do? We have to copy the part of the file. So we have to read all these various files, okay? So the files are in CSV files, they're in Excel file, they're in JSON files. So we have to read all of them, okay? So we start with the first one. We copy the part, then we go back, we paste the part. Okay, so when we paste the part, if we are going to run it now, we are going to incur an error. It's an error here. Okay, this is an error. How can we fix this error? You see what? Unicode error. Code cannot decode byte in the position. So we have to make it as a raw data, okay? By placing at this point, look at my console. Place arrow at that point as a raw data. When you place arrow at that point, you press shift and enter. You run it, okay? You see it is very clean and clear. Now it is showing now very clean and clear without any error. Are we there? Now let us read now the second data. Okay, this is the second data. Let us move this thing. Okay, go back here and copy. This is FIFA ranking data. Copy the part. Are we there? Don't forget about copying the part. Then you paste it, paste Control V, paste it there. Then you fit your arrow. You must read it as raw data. Okay? When you do that, shift enter. This is what FIFA ranking. Are we together? So you move on now. Let me read the third file. Yes. Today we are reading the file with the use of what? Pandas. So we're using Pandas to read the various files. Are we together? Yeah. So now the third file, this is the third file, house course. Okay. House course, we have copied the part, come here, paste it there. The way you paste it there, you fit arrow to read it as raw data. Run enter. Are we together? You can press Control Shift or you press this one. Look at it. You see it is the same thing. Okay. Now let us move forward. Let's read the other file. So these are various files that we are having it on my desktop. All these files are based on my desktop. Okay. Now this is the fourth file. Copy the part. Are we together? When you copy the part, now let's remove this one. You just copy the part, copy as part, you copy as part, you paste it there. You see now it is JSON file. This is so always look at the end. This is course.csv. That means it is CSV file. Are we there? Look at this other one, the end .csv. Obviously showing that it is CSV file. But now this other file is showing that this is a JSON file. Okay, so at this point we have here, you have to change it. Look at the two ends supposed to be JSON. Change it JSON. Yeah, so at this file is JSON file. I said okay, we have to write that's JSON this way. If we run it now, it is going to give us an error. See, we have an error. how we going to do to solve this error? They say Unicode error is cannot decode the byte. How we going to do to solve this error? And okay, let's read it as arrow. Put the arrow. We will see have an error. They see an error. They see the trailing data. Trailing data. Okay, when you have this type of error, just come this way at the end, comma. See lines, right? Lines equals to true. Okay, line equals to true. True is capital T before arrow UE. Then now you run it and wait together. At this point, you look at it now. It has run without any stress, without any problem. So when you encounter that type of error, make sure you run it that way. This is JSON file, and wait together. But at this point, we have made it that the line here is supposed to be true, because in Pandas we have a row and column. Okay, so the way it was being placed, it was not possible for it to run. That was why we have to place line equals to true, and you can still verify some of those information by pressing shift and tab. When you press shift and tab, you come here, you see all those information that you can, the various codes. Are we together? Yes. What we use by this lines. You can put this line equals to false. You can put line equals to false, line equals to true. Out there, line equals to false is the default. So line equals, you can put line equals to true, because this will we place line equals to true. So also have other things, so you can also try them. Are we together? Yes. Now let's move forward. Let's copy this. Paste here. Okay. Now, so suppose. Okay, now we have to move now to the third file. The third file, we copy as part. Copy as part. Go and you paste it. Copy as part. You paste it there. Read it as raw data. Arrow. And wait together. Then you run it. It gave us what? An error. Because why? We have forgot to remove the JSON here at the left. So you have to remove it's supposed to be CSV. And with there, we run it now. You see, we have no error. We have no error. So this is the file of musician instrument. Musical instrument. Are we together? This is the file. So musical instrument in Amazon. Okay, so we have read now. This is the 4 file. This is the fit. So you have to read now the number 6 file. You just need to copy. Then you change this. Yes, you change it. Go now where your file is. My file is on the desktop. So you know where your file is. You just go and click on the file, then you copy as parts. You copy as parts. When you copy as parts, you paste it. When you see, look at the file, it shows that this file is in JSC on my user desktop. On my desktop, I registered this file as a Python file, Python lectures, and now the name of the file is PAMS. HM dataset. Then now .cv, because it's a CSV file. Okay. And when you have that, you put arrow, read it as a raw file, then you run it.